Hey there, it's Justin with Real Estate Investing STL. And I just wanted to take a minute to describe how our equity protection program works. This is a great option for many homeowners. This option allows you to still sell the property as is without having to do any repairs to the property. You won't have to pay any real estate commission. You won't have to pay any closing costs. You won't have to deal with inspectors. You won't have to deal with appraisers. You won't have to deal with buyers. You won't have to deal with realtors at all. We take care of all of that on your behalf. Now, the way this works is we would take your property to the open market, and we would use our vast resources of both investor buyers and retail buyers. And we would take that property to the open market looking for a buyer. And the reason that we're able to offer such a higher price, many times tens of thousands of dollars more than other real estate investors, is because we're able to save a lot of money by doing it this way. So instead of closing on the property with cash and having to pay real estate commissions, having to pay attorney fees, having to pay our private money lenders, having to pay interest, having to pay holding costs, etc. All of those things really add up. And with this new program, we're able to save those costs. And in turn, we take those savings and we put them directly in your pocket to give you a much, much higher offer than any other real estate investor will be able to do. So we will take that property to the open market with our proven and time tested strategies, and we'll be able to find a buyer for the property. And then once we do that, we will go ahead and we will do everything. We will do the inspections, the appraisals, dealing with the realtors, dealing with the buyers. We will take care of all of that on your behalf. And then all you have to do is show up to closing and get your check. Get your check for the property in a quick, hassle-free, easy way. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, or if you have any other questions for us, please feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to answer those for you. Thank you and have a great day.